Asiqhubeke sikubhekele ezokuhlaliswa kwabantu ngemuva kokukhathazeka okuphakanyiswe abaqashi eWisane Heights Complex eShawelo. Imhlangano isaqhubeka phakathi kwezakhamuzi nabaphathi ukuze kutholakale isisombululo. Izingxoxo zigxile ezinselelweni ezifana nerent engakhokhiwe, impahla eyonakele neziphakamiso zokuthuthela kwenye indawo. Izinhlangothi zombili zixoxisane ngesixazululo esinobulungiswa, kanti umholi womphakathi uthi izingxoxo ziyaqhubeka njengoba izinhlangothi zisebenzela ukuxazulula izingxabano ngokuthula.
Kwinzuku ezigqithileyo abahlali abahlala kwiflat iWisane Heights eziseshawela bathetha phandle ngemicelimngeni abanayo equka amanzi nombane. Xa kungoku inkokheli yala ngingqi inika ingxelo emva kokubamba intlanganiso neziphathamandla zezaflethi.
Some of the issues ezala, according to the management, the last time they received payment from Guma tenants, it was last year. And now they said banezinye indawo all over, so they wanted them to go there, review our lease agreement, because they believe there's some members or tenants abangene illegally, abangasayinanga those lease agreements. So we also came to a conclusion that those abanga comply or abangekho listing fanele baphume kusale laba abanama lease agreement.
Ngokunika ingqwalasela kule meko kubonakala ngathi abanye babantu abahlala kwezi flat banegalelo ekwenzekeni imeko ibenje, kulandela izityholo zokungabhatali imali nokwenza umonakalo kwezinye izinto.
So they were told that they can also take them or move them to one of their apartment Rodiport, and that one is 400 cheaper than this one. So it seems like Laban they don't want to move out, and like Nabashili would see from 2024 they haven't received any payment from Gulaban, and some of the things have been damaged. And obviously it's damage of property if you have to open a case.
Omnye kubahlali uthe ixhala labo kukuba lemo iphele ingenasisombululo de ezifleti ziphele nje zilinxiwa.
What we are saying is they need to be consultation between both parties. The chief security person wala, the ops manager yala, and the company itself. But when they meeting kunala bantu bonke, and then they sit down and then they come up with a solution.
Zisaqhubeka ingxoxo nenkokheli yasekuhlaleni kunye neziphathamandla kude kube kufumaneka isisombululo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eShawela.